Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Is your Vinted tracking stuck? Not seeing any updates on your parcel? It's totally fine, don't panic. This is very common. In today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually fix tracking not updating on Vinted in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First and first, you should wait from like 24 to 48 hours max. Tracking can take time to refresh. Also, some shipping carriers don't always scan immediately. You should also check their website directly. By also copying the tracking number, check it on their official website. Then confirm the seller shipped. Ask the seller if the parcel was dropped off. Some labels are generated before even shipping. I'm gonna show you right now how to do so. If you are using the app, just open it and log in, then go through the inbox. Otherwise, we're gonna go to Vinted.com. Here we go, Vinted. Then come here to this inbox. Look basically for the seller and send him the question. Ask him if the parcel was fully dropped off, if everything is basically fine. You can also refresh the app if you are using it on any type of phones. Just close and reopen the Vinted app and update the app if needed. As for like a small pro tip, tracking option can basically, for example, if you are tracking updates overnight, you should check again the next business day before reporting an issue. Let's say you are on Sunday, check it on Monday, then you can report on Tuesday, for example. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.